Hey there, this is LaQuita with quitabughandmaids.com. Thank you so much for joining me today for another Stampin' Up! Tutorial. So today I wanted to remind you that we only have a few days left of celebration. So if there's anything in this celebration brochure that you have just been loving and you haven't picked up yet, now's the time to do it. It does end on February the 28th, 2022. And today I thought I would share a project with you featuring two celebration items. So I'm featuring the Catching Butterflies stamp set and then also the Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 Designer Series paper. I've only got half of this package left and I'm so excited. I get really excited when I actually use up paper and ribbon. Like, that excites me to know that I have used that much of it. It's almost gone. So that's really fun to me. But anyways, so I'm going to share a project with you today that I was inspired to create from a sample in the catalog or in the brochure. So this project right here, mine's a little bit different. I don't have any ribbon in the background. I didn't use the same stamp set because I don't have it. I also didn't use the same stitch circle because I don't have it. So mine's a little bit different, but it's really fun to use the samples that are in the catalogs and the different brochures and on the Stampin' Up! Website. It's fun to use those samples as inspiration to copy them, case them, whatever. I think it's a lot of fun to find inspiration in the images that are provided to us in these different catalogs. So this is what I created. I think it looks so cute. And in the video, I'm going to share this same project, but we're going to change up the designer paper in the background so that you can see it with another pattern from the same Sunshine and Rainbow 6x6. So anyways, let's go ahead and jump right into today's tutorial. And actually, I forgot to get a piece of this pattern out. I'm going to bring in my paper snips and I am going to go ahead and choose my clouds. If you have the cloud punch, it does punch these cloud images out. I don't have that punch, so I'm just going to hand cut out my clouds, which that's okay. Scissors are stuck. There we go. Okay. So let's see which other ones I want. So just very easily, I'm just going to go around and get these all cut out. Just leaving a very tiny little white border around the edge. Okay, so I've got my three little clouds all cut out. So now let's do some quick stamping. Let me just get, okay, so I had to get some scrap white cardstock and I've got my Bermuda Bay ink. I'm going to bring in my sentiment from that Catching Butterflies stamp set. I'm just going to stamp this right in the middle and it says, "Celebrate every beautiful thing." And then I've got my mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine and plate number 1, plate number 2, which is a clear cutting plate, my sentiment, one of our layering circle dies. Just put that right on there. And we will just carefully run this through. Okay. There we go. Okay, so now we can start putting this card together. So I have got a basic white thick card base. This is cut 8.5 inches by 5.5 inches, and I've scored it at 4.25 inches. And I'll just give it a nice crease with my bone folder. Then I'm going to bring in some liquid glue. I've got some designer paper from that Sunshine and Rainbows 6x6 Designer Series paper. And I'm just going to use liquid glue to add this onto my card front because this is cut 4.25 inches by 5.5 inches so that, oh, I need a little bit more, so that it's going to cover the entire front of my card base. And I want that liquid glue so that I can move it around and make sure that I line it up really well. Okay. And then let me see if I have any designer paper hanging over. I do. So I'll just come in with my snips and just cut that off. Alrighty, just gonna crease that a little bit more. Okay, so then I've got a piece of vellum cardstock. So this is cut 3 3/4 inches by 4 3/4 inches. And don't worry, I do have all of these measurements over on today's coordinating blog post linked down below in the video description. So I am just going to add this on after I get my clouds and all of my other pieces onto this layer. So I think I want the heart cloud right here. Then I'll do this cloud and that one. So the top 2 clouds, I'm gonna put those on with Stampin' Seal adhesive. So I'll just put that right there. Oops. Okay. And then this one, oh no, dimensionals, I almost forgot. I want this one with dimensionals. And I'm gonna have that one go right there. Okay, and then I've got more Sunshine and Rainbows designer paper. This is cut 1/2 inch by 3 1/4 inches, and this one is 1/2 inch by 3 1/2 inches. And I'm gonna take this one. I should have left my paper snips out. I forgot how much I used them for this card. So I'm just going to banner the ends of this piece. Okay, and we will add these on with our seal. So I want this to go, I want it to hang off the edge a little bit. Okay, just like that. Then this piece. And let's see. Yep, I think that looks good. And then I'm going to do dimensionals on my sentiment. And just add that right there. Now I will put adhesive on all the spots where my layers are so that you won't see my adhesive coming through my vellum. Okay, and then I'll just center this up. Right there looks good to me. Alrighty, then I'm just gonna finish this card with a few of these opal rounds. I love, love, love. Oh my gosh, I hope I've been recording. I didn't know I had a message on my screen saying my battery's low. So hopefully I have been recording this. So I'm just gonna finish this up with some of our opal rounds. They're just so pretty. I love opal rounds. Okay, so we're just gonna do 5 of these. Just pop a small one there, a large, a small, whoops, and then 2 more small ones, but we'll put them up. But there you have it, you guys. That finishes up the card. I really like it. I think it's really cute, and I think those opal rounds match so nicely with the Sunshine and Rainbows. Just bring my light down. There we go. So cute. And then, of course, I have an envelope to match. Same designer paper on the flap. And then I added the butterflies from the Catching Butterflies stamp set. So there is the card. And then let me show you the other one. So this one has the rainbow pattern in the back. Really, really cute. I love this one with the rainbows. So there it is, you guys. I hope that you have enjoyed today's tutorial, and don't forget, only a few days left of celebration. So if there's anything you've been wanting to get, now's the time to get it. It does end on February the 28th. I've got direct links to my online Stampin' Up! Store down below in the video description. I've also got direct links to everything that you saw me use today in this tutorial listed and linked down below in the video description. So thank you again so much for joining me, and stay tuned because I'll be back again very soon with another tutorial. Bye now.